guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little while, but today we're going to spin the DIY wheel again. So the rules are that I can only use what comes out of the wheel, and next to that I can use paint and glue, and that's it. Okay, so here is the DIY wheel, and I took some things out and I added some new things, and I'm just going to give it the first spin now. So for this first DIY, I'm going to use dominoes. Okay, so I have the dominoes, and next to that I am going to use lollipop sticks. Yeah. Okay, so I'm spinning the wheel again for the third time. Paper cups. Okay. So for this first DIY, I am going to use dominoes, lollipop sticks and paper cups. So what I am going to do, I have my cup here and I have a lot of lollipop sticks. And what I thought about is there's a pattern on here, but it goes up, down, and every time it goes down, I can put a lollipop stick on there, something like this. And I think in the end, I am going to put the dominoes in between, or I don't know exactly yet what I'm going to do with the dominoes, but I will figure it out when I start. We are back for the second time, so let's spin the wheel and see what it gives me. Again, lollipop sticks, okay. And next to lollipop sticks I am going to use tin rope. Okay, I am going for the third spin. And I have to use wooden disc. Okay, so for this DIY I am going to use the lollipop sticks, tin rope and a wooden disc. So I am going to make some kind of wall hanging. And I've got my lollipop sticks and I'm going to glue them something like this, so it can hang on a nail. And then I have my tin rope that I'm going to put behind. Oh, this is very difficult. that I'm going to put behind here, and on the tin rope I am going to glue some of the wood slices that I have in a fun pattern, and maybe I'm going to paint something on here. I don't know yet, but I'm just going to start. Okay, so we're back for the very last one. Let's spin the... Hello? Yeah, okay. So I am going to use IKEA rings. And next to the IKEA rings I am going to use Ooh, oh, clothespins, okay. Okay, so I'm going to give it a third spin. And give me a good one. Macrame cord. Okay, so for this DIY I am going to use IKEA rings, clothespins and a macrame cord. So for this DIY I have my IKEA rings, so I still have to cut one off. And when I did that, I have my clothing pins, and my idea is to make some kind of pattern, a round one. And I don't know what kind of pattern it's going to be, so I'm going to try some things out. And then on the inside you will see some of the clothing pins, so I am going to cover that up with the macrame cord. So officially it was a plan to make it like this and then a macrame cord in the middle, but then I thought if I put it down like this, you get a very interesting shape, and then I can put one here and one here. So I think I am going to switch it up and go with this pattern. To show you some of the details. So here I really did not know what to do with the dominoes, so I think this was the best option. And of course you could paint the whole thing so you could make it look like one, but I really liked the black and white on here in combination with the black dominoes. So this is the bottom, and I used it for pencils, but you can also use it for something else or still to drink out of, I think. Would not recommend, but you could. Now for this DIY I really like the outcome with little tribal patterns on here, and it's super easy and simple to do. And I will show you the back because it's not that pretty, but it helps because there's a line of glue on top of here, and that's so it won't slide off any nails that you hang it on, and you won't see it when you hang it up like this. And I am really happy with the outcome of this one. And last but certainly not least is this one, and I really love it. And it's also very cool when it's laying down. I think you could, maybe if you want to use this as a coaster, to put your drinks on here. And as I showed, you can put it against the wall like this or like this, and it's just some kind of piece of art. I really like this. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you liked Spin the DIY Wheel Round 4. And if you do, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. And I really hope you liked Spin the Wheel watching, and I really hope you liked the Spin the DIY Wheel Round 4. Okay. And if you do, Bye.